Horizon 6 not installing error code 0x80070490 on Xbox app Microsoft Store on PC. 1. Restart your PC. Close Xbox app and Microsoft Store completely. Restart your computer normally. Try installing the game again afterward. Number 2. Check internet connection. Use stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Restart your router if download speed is unstable. Disable VPN or proxy services temporarily. 3. Sign out and back into Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. Sign out from your Microsoft account. Sign back in and retry installation. Hasher 4. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R, type ws reset.exe and press Enter. Wait for Microsoft Store to reopen automatically. 5. Repair Xbox app in Microsoft Store. Open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Repair Xbox app from Advanced Options. Also repair Microsoft Store. 6. Reset Gaming Services. Open Gaming Services from Apps list. Use the repair and reset options. Restart your PC afterward. 7. Check storage space. Ensure enough free disk space is available. Remove unnecessary files if storage is low. Try installing the game on another drive. 8. Install pending Windows updates. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install all available updates. Restart your PC after updates finish. 9. Change Xbox app install drive. Open Xbox app settings. Select a different installation drive. Retry downloading Forza Horizon 6. 10. Reinstall Xbox app and gaming services. Uninstall Xbox app and gaming services completely. Restart your PC fully. Install fresh versions from Microsoft Store.